soil microbiome monitoring for sustainable fertilization. Context: soil health is influenced by microbial diversity. Farmers now use DNA sequencing to monitor soil microbes and adjust fertilizer use accordingly. Biochemical factors involved. Soil DNA analysis reveals microbial populations critical to nutrient fixation and nutrient cycling. Soil pH and buffers influence microbial DNA stability and enzymatic processes. Challenges: cost and accessibility of soil DNA testing for small farmers, risk of over-reliance on technology without farmer training. Question number 1. How is DNA analysis used to inform sustainable fertilizer practices? So, ang iyang biochemical concept dali ma'am is para ma-identify ang nagkalain-lain nga microbial nga naa sa ang naa present sa soil. O sa soil health code is na soil testing.
DNA analysis is a powerful tool for informing sustainable fertilizer practices, enabling farmers to unlock the potential of their soil. By these practices, we could reduce the use of fertilizers for a healthier environment.
So, question number 2. How do pH and buffer in the soil affect microbial DNA stability and community structure? So, in biochemical analysis, soil pH and buffering capacity is influence the microbial DNA in stability and diversity of microbial communities is affecting the soil health and nutrient cycle.
So, their response to apiculture is number 1 is on fertility and plant growth and also the crop yield. So, their environmental analysis, number 1 is soil pollution monitoring. So, muna siya ang pag-monitor sa DNA microbial dito sa yuta. Then, ikaduha is bioremediation strategies. Muna siya ang pag-hindo sa mga pollutants na makita dito sa yuta po. Then, lastly is ang climate change studies. Muna siya ang pagsuri sa mga carbon sequestration sa greenhouse gas emissions. So, question number 3. What are the economic and environmental trade-offs of using DNA stability and community structure? So, ang biochemical concept na niya is using DNA stability and community structure has trade-off, including high sequencing costs and nag-improve po siya sa ecosystem monitoring and management.
DNA analysis can improve soil management and sustainability. It may involve high cost and require technical expertise, balancing its benefit with affordability.
Economic and environmental trade-offs. DNA-based monitoring provides accurate insight but may have high cost effect challenges compared to traditional soil testing.